Now in this fraction video lesson, we're going to learn the types of the fraction based on the number of parts the whole is divided into. All right, on the basis of how many fractions we have divided from the single one, from the whole one. All right, so types of fraction. All right, and there are two types of the fraction. If we have a normally any fraction, all right, on the basis of the how many fractions, how many parts we made it. All right, fractions are two. One is like fractions and another is unlike fraction. So what is like fraction or what is unlike fraction, I will tell you later. The meaning I will tell you later, but first I'm going to show you how they are, and then I will tell you how to separate, and then I will tell you the meaning of that. So like fractions are those having same denominator. All right. Unlike fractions are those which do not have same denominator. Do not have same denominator. All right. So like fractions example, if you want to say, then it is like this, like 3 over 5, all right, 7 over 5, 2 over 5, all right, 1 over 5. So in this all case, look at here, the denominators are same, 5, 5, 5, 5. But here if you want to see the unlike fractions, then it will be like 2 by 3, 1 by 5, 9 by 7, it's quite 9 by 7, 7 by let's say 8, 13 over 15. So see here, the numerators are quite different, everywhere. Here is 3, here is 5, here is 7, here is 8, here is 15, so you might be confusing, why. So very simple it is to differentiate like fractions and unlike fractions. So those fractions which have the same numerators are like fractions, and which are it is very easy to separate the like fraction. So it is very easy to separate the like fractions from the unlike fractions. Those fractions which have the same numerator, those fractions which have the same denominator are called like fractions, and those fractions which have different denominators are unlike fractions. All right, let's say I have here 1 by 5, 2 by 3, 9 by 3, 5 by 7. So in this case, just tell me which are the like fractions. Yes, this 2 by 3 and 9 by 3, these are like fractions. This is 9 by 3, okay, 9 over 3, because both have the same denominator. All right, here you might be asking why this is 7 bigger and 5 smaller. These two things I have given by knowing I had given this a little different. Why the numerator is bigger than the denominator, I will tell you this into the another video where we'll be learning about the proper and improper fractions. There it will be clear. All right, so now what is like fractions, what is unlike fractions? I think you understand it, right? It's something like this. Like fractions means if I have, let's say, a biscuit, again the same concept I'm going to repeat as in the video of the introduction of the fraction, and let's say I have a chocolate bar. Okay, let me make a little bit bigger. So here what I'm doing now, I'm making 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and here also I'm going to make same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So what I told you, this fractions has been separated into the two categories, like fraction and unlike fraction, based on number of parts we made, number of parts we made into. All right, number of parts we made into the whole. Now we had a whole biscuit and we made here 8 parts, and we had a whole chocolate bar and we had 8 sections set in that chocolate bar. So in this biscuit, if I'm here eating let's say 2 section, all right, so I'll write here 2 section out of 8, and let's say I'm eating here 1 section, 2 section, 3 section, 4 section, 5 section. Okay, I eat the 5 section of the chocolate bar out of 8. So I don't care how many we eat, now how many I am eating, whether one section, I'm eating whether 7 section out of 8, that does not matter. Or I'm just eating here also like say 5 out of 5, like 8 out of 8, that doesn't matter. If I am dividing it into the equal number of parts, right, 8 equal number of parts, right, so these both are this in this case these both are like fractions. Similarly here in the case of chocolate, I separated into the 8 parts, right? So whatever the fractions I'm gonna write which are according to the 8 section parts, all are like fractions. All right, if I'm writing here 1 out of 7, then that's not the like, because if this is going to fall in this one, I mean 8 sections, if that has been made, if chocolate has been made 7 sections, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, then that can be equal, with this one. I mean, we cannot say that this is like fraction of this one, because we should have the same section. If you make it here also 8 instead of 7, here also 8, let's say one more, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So now we can say, yeah, these both are made into the same equal number of parts, equal number of parts there are in both chocolate bars. So that time the all fractions we are writing belonging to this will be like fractions, and just opposite is unlike fraction.